In today's video, I will teach you how to turn animals into human portraits using AI. Let's get started. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Photo or AI Artifacts. Now, click the Upload Image button or drag and drop your pet's photo directly into the editor. The image will begin uploading and be displayed in the main editing area. And make sure to choose a clear photo of your pet's face, and the face should be centered with minimal obstructions. Natural lighting works best to avoid blurry or dark photos. Now on the left panel, scroll through the categories or search manually. You can scroll to the Universal section and locate the Turn into Human effect. Then click on it and let the AI generate a human version of your animal. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Once the effect is applied, you can click the Compare button at the bottom right of the editor, and you can expect a unique and surprisingly accurate features based on your pet's expressions, fur color, and posture. If you didn't love the first result, no problem. You can hover over the effect thumbnail and click the Regenerate button. And the AI will create a brand new humanized version of your pet based on the same photo. You can repeat the step multiple times until you find a version that you like best. And once you're happy with the result, you can click the download button at the top right to save your image in JPG or PNG format. Here, you can share your image to Photor's platform and earn Photor coins, which can later be cashed out or used to unlock pro features. And if you want to bring your humanized pet to life, you can click the Animate Your Art to access Photor's AI video generator. This opens a new window where you can animate your pet turned to human for fun video content. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.